Hello, great people. You are all welcome to the Delicious Kitchen. Happy to have you here online with me, lovelies. I'm sharing this delicious, simple, healthy, yummy breakfast with you. You are going to love it. You can eat this with milk, and you can also eat it without milk. Start your day this way, and you're going to love the rest of the day. I bet it. You're going to love it. Don't let me talk much. Now, let us get it started. Those are the ingredients I'll be using. What I have here is oatmeal, apple, mango, and banana. Other ingredients we'll be adding into it, you're going to see it later. First of all, you need to peel those bananas you'll be using. I'm using 2 bananas, you can see it. Now you need to mash it. Just get a fork or spoon and mash your banana. After mashing it, you just need to keep it aside. Now get the apple and get your grater. I'll be using this just to grate the apple. You can core the apple and use your kitchen processor as well, but this is so simple. That is what you're going to have after grating it. Now get the mango, peel it. After peeling the mango, I'm just going to cut half of it. Just cut the back of it, just half of it. All right, I'll keep the rest for later use. Now dice the first half cut out of it. All you need to do is just dice it. After dicing it, get a plate, transfer it onto it and keep it aside. That is the rest of the mango. Now get the grater back and grate it as well. That is our grated mango. Now you can see they are now ready. That is boiled water. For the exact measurement, please check the comment section. Now pour the oatmeal into the hot water. Add the grated apple into it. Add the mashed banana into it and the grated mango as well. Now give it a good mix together. At this stage, you need to turn down the cooker and simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. After that, this is what you're going to have. Add some salt, it's optional. Add some salt and add some water to it to your desired. It depends on how you want the texture to be. If you want it to be not thick as this or thicker than this, it depends on how you want it. So mix it well, and yeah, it's now time to serve. Serve it and top it with the diced mango. You can eat it like this. It tastes super yummy, and if you love it, you can add milk to it like this and get a spoon and enjoy your breakfast. Children love this. Adults love it as well. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.